Hello and welcome to our Big 6 lesson introduction here for our 4th grade classes at school. This is your librarian, Mrs. Collins, here to teach you about the Big 6. The purpose of our lesson today is to teach you what the Big 6 research process is. It's going to explain each step into detail, and it's going to help you feel confident in your research abilities and following the Big 6 process. The Big 6 aligns with multiple standards. What we're going to have today and what it aligns with in our lesson is our TEAC, which is our Texas State Standard, is 4.24a, which is that students will follow a research plan and collect information from multiple sources. It also aligns with Common Core Standard 4.7, which says that students will conduct research projects and develop knowledge through investigation. It also aligns with an ISTE Standard 3A, which talks about how students will plan and employ effective research strategies. And it also aligns with a AASL Standard 6A Create, which is that students choose the appropriate platform to meet the objective, meaning that students will be able to choose appropriate sources and an effective way to present their research. So what is the Big 6? The Big 6 is a process model for anyone who wants to solve an information problem. It is comprised of 6 steps that are designed to break down the process and help information seekers research their questions effectively. And then later on, we'll get more in detail about what these 6 steps are. To begin, you're going to take a pre-assessment on blenderspace.com. This pre-assessment has 5 questions, and it's just designed to gauge where you are at in your Big 6 knowledge. It has 3 multiple choice questions and 2 true-false questions. In conclusion, this lesson is designed to teach you the Big 6 process so that you can implement it for your own research. It aligns with multiple standards, including our TEACs, Common Core, ISTE, and AASL. And then after you take the pre-assessment, you're going to watch 2 videos attached to the lesson, and then you will follow up with the conclusion PowerPoint.